Hello everybody, I'm back in the 2019. Happy New Year's each and every one of you. Today I will actually be doing a quick weave with a leave out. I will be applying a black dye from Adora, which is jet black 121. Also, I'm not going to be using a wig cap when I apply the extension to it. When I do my quick weave, I'm not going to use that. So I'm actually going to be using, this is a weave one wrap. And it's really good, you guys. Really good. It's just like wearing a cap. Really simple, easy to apply and put on. I'm going to use black gloves so I won't get no dye everywhere. I don't have I do have Vaseline. Vaseline is good. I'm just going to actually apply. You will see in the video that I'm actually going to apply the Vaseline around certain areas because I don't want the dye to actually touch those areas and be all over the place when I put it in there. So I'm going to actually put the dye within this container, and I'm going to apply it from there. Okay, so I'm getting ready to start now to apply the dye. Is a semi-permanent dye, which I'm getting ready to apply now. So I'm going to start that, and then I'll be right back. All right, everyone, I am back now. I have my color. It's already in the bowl. Just wanted to show you. It's in the bowl. And now what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to apply the color to my head. So usually I will do every step. I will actually have my towel and I have a cape over so that the color won't get everywhere. But today I'm kind of like in a rush to get things done, but I am going to take my time in between. So I'm going to apply my black gloves, and I do have the Vaseline because I didn't have it at first. So I will apply, excuse me, sorry. I'm going to apply the Vaseline around the areas. And I was telling you I was going to apply it around certain areas because I don't want dye to be stuck in those areas, like all the way. So if you apply the color and it's like all the way out here, or it runs, if it runs and it runs on the Vaseline, it's not gonna dye my face or outside. So I'm gonna put my gloves on now. Real quick. Make sure they black gloves. Okay. Color. So now, usually I have excuse that, tongue twisted today. Usually I have butterfly clips, and I part it in sections, and then I actually apply the Vaseline and then apply the color. So just letting you know that today I'm just basically going around those steps and just do it this way. So I'm just gonna apply this Vaseline right around the perimeter, the outside perimeter of my hair. And then I'm going to start applying the color. And I am going to apply it around my ears right here. So I really don't, right around it. Down. Just around. Because you don't want no color to get all the way around where it ain't supposed to be. I usually put some on my ear, like around the ear, and then down, just finding the outer part. All right, so now that I just did that. Now I'm getting ready to apply the color to my hair as well. So I'm getting ready to start on that right now. Okay, you guys, so now I am officially done. Okay, so now I don't have a shower cap, so I'm gonna do this the ghetto way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use plastic bag. Fill up just a little bit. I'm just gonna apply it on my head. Turn the sides where the handle's at. Bring it over and tuck it. There you go. And I am going to take these gloves off, and I'm going to sit down for a little while and let it sit. So according to the dye, you need to at least let it sit for at least 15 sit underneath a shower cap for at least 15 minutes and then rinse completely. So technically I am natural, so I do let hair dye, well, this type of semi, I only use semi because this semi, I feel that is much safer with your hair when you're doing a color. I don't use any type of chemicals like that on my head, but I do use the Adore. I don't use any other color with any other product besides theirs. So just using this one. Other than that, I'm just gonna sit down and dry it. I give myself maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I'll let it sit, and I will just take care of whatever I need to take care of around the house until then. So that's what I'm getting ready to do, and I'll be right back. So till then, I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I'm back now. I've washed the color out of my hair, blow dry it, and then I went into drying. I actually put the wrap gel on my hair, and so it's nice and hard. I don't know if you can see it. It's nice and hard. Okay, so this section right here I did not touch. I basically braided it this side because this is my leave out. So I'm gonna blend this in with the hair in the back. So as you can see, I just parted it across and braided into two plaits. So I'm getting ready to start now. So right here, I'm actually measuring the tracks and applying it to my head. Off to your right side, I'm basically showing you the hair and all the things that I'm actually using with my hair. And you basically measure it before applying it, and then after applying it, I apply a little bit of Spritz just to hold it in place. And loosen out the rest of the tracks. And continue. Usually, because I was so much in a rush, usually it would be a little bit more smoother than, my hair would be a little bit smoother than this, but it's still manageable. I moved to the bathroom because just to have a little light, because the lighting in the area where I was at wasn't as bright. But as you can see, it looks really good. as I'm going up, just continue to measure it and glue it in the area, and I give myself a little space in between each track as I apply it. Most of the time I don't spritz as I lay it, but in this one I'm actually spritzing it as I go. Okay, so now I'm using a heat protector, and this is actually the serum that I'm using in my hair as well. Just kind of combing it out. I apply one extra track within the front all the way down. That one is just basically to be behind the braid as well. The hair that I have braided, that I'm loosing out right now, that is just basically to cover so I can have more of a flat, it'll be flat as you press it and you put it back. It'll be real nice and flat. It'll look natural. So I apply the heat protector to it before pressing it with the flat iron. So now I'm applying the heat protector. And tell you it's really good to use heat protector to protect your hair. As you see, I'm just flat ironing her hair. Going all the way around. And usually I just give it a little bump, not too much of a heavy curl. It looks pretty good, you guys. It looks really good. Yes, really nice. So I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see how it looks in the back. So I'm getting ready to turn around now. And it looks pretty good. Yes. I'm really feeling this hair. It looks really nice. So you guys, this is how I'm gonna be wearing it. I like it. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you can stay alert with every video that I post. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Until then, tune in.